Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the milestone terms and why you need cancellation. This saves time and prevents surprises. Once done, gather evidence, messages, files, timestamps, and save screenshots. Then, write a concise cancellation request. State the reason, attach proof, and propose 1 to 3 solutions like refund, revision, or pause. Send that message through the platform so there's a record. Make sure to note response windows and any auto hold or release rules before moving to the next step. Next, open the platform's cancel or dispute workflow and follow each prompt carefully. Platforms reject incomplete requests. Upload the evidence files you prepared and link to the original chat, and then state the outcome you want: refund amount, partial refund, or revision. Once submitted, monitor notifications and reply quickly to follow-up questions. If the client responds, negotiate within the thread. If you need more time, inform support. Keep everything in platform so moderators can review the full history if needed. Finally, confirm that the milestone status changed and that funds were returned or reallocated. Check your balance and any pending holds. Once resolved, update your records, invoice adjustments, bookkeeping entries, and client notes so your workflow stays accurate. If the client disputes or the platform stalls, immediately open a formal resolution, supply the organized evidence set, and request a moderator timeline. One troubleshooting tip: if the platform response is slow, escalate with a single, factual summary and fresh timestamps to keep the case prioritized.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.